Still with it when you want it, got to keep me, I am chill. Don't trip when you see me out kicking with my new bitch, I still hang around. Even though you capping. I could pretend you was my man, nigga, bet you love just how that feels. Out of my way, you out of pocket, need clear vision, boy. Can't trust the decision when you near me, get myself caught in your crossfire. You're a wild one, and I'm with it.
I think at this point we already know that I'm always going to be shooting at this angle with my light on, and it's always too irritating for me. But yes, guys, I've been up since 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. Okay, but right now it is 6:42. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's 6:42, and my plan was to study until 8, and then take a nap, and then 9 I go bath, 10 I come back and I try to recram. Right now, I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I hope it happens because I'm left with like one or two, just because I know the last one is not that much. So let me say one or two, 1.5 topic to be done with the first topic, like 1.5 subtopics to be done with the first topic, and then I read jurisdiction. Okay, it's too long, and I know for sure I'm not gonna finish it because it's just too long, babe. I don't attend classes, so this is just too long. When I was in class, he was explaining a whole lot of stuff. I don't even know how far they are in class, but I know they're not done with jurisdiction. That's what I know. That's for sure. So I have no one to ask where they are. I can ask people, but I don't know who to ask because people are just, guys, when it comes to tests, you will know who is your friend and who's not your friend in class. And for me, I know I don't have friends in class. So yeah, Sana, when it comes to tests and exams, you will know who cares about your education. Everybody doesn't care. Everybody cares about their own education. So you must care about your own education, son. I don't have notes from class because I don't attend classes. Like, I've been so exhausted, guys. Maybe I'll start doing my classes again when I come back from home. But, like, no one cares about you, okay? If you're a first year student or you've not yet started your what's this thing, you have not yet started school, just know that nobody cares about your education but you, okay? Care about your education yourself. Anyway, guys, bye. Let me not delay because I need to finish this topic and then take a nap because I'm tired. Also, I was having more fire free promo. I can't deny I don't have subscribers and I don't have anyone sponsoring me, and it's fine. More fire. This is actually nice. Like, it is fire, bro. Like, I this is the first time I was having it. This is the original flavor. It's good. I'm gonna try others. Hey guys, it is 8:30. I said at 8 I'm taking a nap until 9. So I decided that I'm gonna take a nap right now and wake up like at 9:30 and then go shower, bath, and then by 10 or past 10 I will. Guys, my door is actually coming out. What the? Okay, I'll show you guys after this. But like, I didn't read the second topic because honestly, if he gives us a question on the second topic, I don't think I'm gonna get anything because right now my brain has checked out. Like, I just pray to God that he gives us a question on the topic that I read because my brain has officially checked out. I'm done. Like, I can't wait to finish writing this test so that I'm done. Like, I don't want to think about anything. I just want to go home, bro. I'm so tired. I wish I could cry on camera. But I can't. I cry when I'm not recording. I cry when people are not around because I'm just like, I'm tired, and I wish people understood when I said I'm tired because I haven't been home for the past 10 months, bro, and I've been working. My mind has been busy. After we finished the last semester, I had to go for attachment, and my brain was always working every single day. So my brain has been working every single day. I just need a break. That's all I'm saying. So my brain has officially checked out. I'm just gonna go take a nap. If I don't study for that topic, then hey Sana, I didn't. And if I fail this test, Sana, it is what it is. I will try again on the second test. I'll try again on the exam. At this point, guys, I just want to take a break, and I feel like if I don't, I'm going to be too exhausted, and yeah, my brain fogs are going to be too much, like fatigue on another level. So I really don't want to get myself there. I don't want to get myself strained. I just need a break, and I can feel it. My body is sore, my brain is tired. I need a break. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a nap, and then I'll wake up, and then bath, and then try recram again, and then go for the test. Guys, it's 11 o'clock, and I just woke up. Let me go bath. I haven't even read. Like, oh my god. It's 12:07. Also, the reason why I keep saying the time is so that I can be able to put timestamps on my videos. So that's why I keep saying time, so that it doesn't look kind of weird when I don't say it, because I'm used to saying the time. So yeah, let me get ready, guys. I'll see you guys later.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put that gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
Guys, Abigail has money. She's making me buy ice cream. That's like 1,700,000. My stand, what's going on with you? Do you see me? I just arrived. I am so tired. It is actually 2 past. Oh my god! It is 2 minutes past 8. I just want to remove my shoes and chill because damn, feels like heaven. Also, Abigail left her things. I don't know why, because I'm leaving tomorrow. Feels like heaven. I'm just gonna unwind and pack my bag to go home tomorrow, and then also try like get the videos from my phone to my laptop, and also get videos from Abigail's phone to my laptop, download movies and series to go watch at home, and then yeah, I think that will be it honestly for tonight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or tonight, I don't know, but yeah, also I have to do Bible study, so I have to do it with you guys. One more thing. Hey guys, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. It's 2 past 3 right now. I took a nap earlier. I need to wake up now. I thought I was gonna wake up like, I didn't even set the alarm. I thought I was gonna wake up like after an hour or. Daydreams, take a breath, take a breath. Dry bones, time to live. It's time to live again. Hey guys. Guys, I know the quality is not it. I'm using Snapchat to record this video. because if I try to use the phone, it says it's full and I don't know what's going on. And you know one thing about Apple, if I catch you, because they make you buy storage. Let me tell you something about Apple, guys. Don't buy Apple phones. I'm sorry. I need a Samsung right now. Even though I feel like a Samsung, but I need a Samsung. Because one thing about Apple, they will make you buy storage, and then the storage, like, there's no need for you to buy the storage, by the way. You need, because my iCloud has about 50 GB. Wait, it has about 140 something GB free storage, and every time I try to put things in the iCloud so they can be moved from my phone, it doesn't do that. So I have to like back things up and then delete them from my phone because they're there on iCloud. It just doesn't make sense to me. All the time I have to do this, and my phone is full. I can't record, I can't do anything. That's why I'm using Snapchat. Now that I'm done ranting, I'm gonna show you guys the clothes that I've put on my bed so far. Guys, this quality is not it, hey? And I'm sorry, Aski-san. YouTube doesn't get the music that's playing outside because they're making noise outside. But that's my toiletry right there, and these are the clothes that I want to put in my, like, guys, I have a carry-on, not a big bag. It's a carry-on. It's a small bag, but I want to take all these things. This is for 2 weeks, by the way. So yeah, I tried to not put a lot of stuff. Also, this is my toiletry. Yes, guys, if you're a girl, you must smell nice. As a girl, you must have a lot of things to bath with. Please, it's not a flex to only bath with soap. Please, man. Hey guys, I want to cry because my phone is basically refusing. Okay, so here's the thing. The thing is, there are certain things that are not backed up on my iCloud, right? Which I'm trying to get to be backed up so that I can put them on my laptop. Because if you log into your iCloud on your laptop, it's only going to show you things that are on your iCloud, not your phone. That's for me. So I want to get things to be backed up so that I can get them from my phone into my laptop and delete them from my phone. Do you get what I'm saying? Because it's a copy. It copies from your iCloud on your phone. It's literally like a copy. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, what's on your iCloud is a copy of what's on your phone, or what's on your phone is a copy of what's on your iCloud. So I can back them up and then delete them from my phone. And even though I log back into my iCloud, they're still gonna be there. Do you get what I'm saying? But anyway, that's what I'm trying to do. I've been trying to do the same thing over and over, and now it actually allowed me to vlog. I don't know why, but I think I deleted a few things, so it still allowed me to vlog. But anyway, guys, let me show you guys. I'm trying to close my carry-on. It's full, baby. It is full as hell. Like, if I was, I don't want to travel with a lot of bags. I wanted to travel with one bag. If I had put the fleece on, this bag is in a heel already, so it was gonna bust open, and then my things are like all over. This is why I need a big bag. So if you see this and you love me, please comment down below, get a new bag or get a bag so that I can go and actually get a big bag, because I never travel with small things. Oh my god, I didn't put the hats in the, okay, let's look for another bag and put other stuff, which I didn't want to do, but that's not choice, guess that's my choice. Guys, the bag was too full, so I had to remove the fleece blanket. So